say?
Meow. Okay.
That's right. What does the dog say? What does Kenta say? What Kenta says woof woof? What does Kenta say? Kenta says woof woof? Doesn't he say meow? What does Daddy say? What does Daddy always say? Is that what Mommy says or is that what Daddy says?
Clean up. I said no poop.
Fish. Huh?
Fish.
What does fish say, Yuta?
Swam in the water.
But what does it say? Yuta, what does the fish say?
Swam in the water.
I know that's what they do, but what do they say? Okay.